Children, so today we are going. Good morning, children. So today we are going to see the and book back answers of 7th standard science. That's the first lesson, measurement. So page number 10, children. Choose the correct answer. So the first question is, which of the following is a derived unit? 4 options are given there: mass, time, area, and length. And the correct answer is C, area. Question 2. Which of the following is correct? That is, 1 liter is equal to 1 cubic centimeter, 1 liter is equal to 10 cubic centimeter, 1 liter is equal to 100 cubic centimeter, and 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. The correct answer is D, 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter. Sorry, 1000 cubic centimeter, children. Then question 3. SI unit of density is 4 options given: kg per square meter, kg per cubic meter, kg per meter, and gram per cubic meter. So the correct answer is B, kg per cubic meter. Then question 4. Two spheres have equal mass and volume in the ratio 2:1. The ratio of their density is 4 options: 1:2, 2:1, 4:1, and 1:4. And the correct option is B, 2:1. Then question 5. Light year is a unit of A, distance, B, time, C, density, D, both length and time. So the answer is A, distance. Roman number 2. Fill in the blanks. First one, volume of irregularly shaped objects are measured using the law of dash. The law of Archimedes is the answer. Second, 1 cubic meter is equal to dash cubic centimeter, that is 10 lakhs or 106 to the power of 6 cubic centimeter. Third, density of mercury is dash. Answer is 13,600 kg per cubic meter. Then fourth one astronomical unit is equal to 1.496 into 10 to the power of 11 meter. Fifth one, the area of a leaf can be measured using a dash. Answer is graph sheet. Third, state whether the following statements are true or false. First question, the region covered by the boundary of the plane figure is called its volume. So the answer is false. So the correct statement is, children, the region covered by the boundary of the plane figure is called its area. That is, instead of volume, the correct is the area. Then question 2. Volume of liquids can be found using measuring containers. Answer, true. Question 3. Water is denser than kerosene. Answer, true. Question 4. A ball of iron floats in mercury. Answer, true. Question 5. A substance which contains less number of molecules per unit volume is said to be denser. Answer is false. So what's the correct statement, children? A substance which contains more, instead of less, more should come there. So the correct is more. More number of molecules per unit volume is said to be denser. Then match the following. First one is, we'll see the A and B is there, children. So first one, A will go area, and the answer is square meter. Then second is the distance, light year. Density, kg per cubic meter. Then volume, cubic meter, and mass, kg. And B will go now. First one is area, plane figures, length, rope, density, gram per cubic centimeter, volume, measuring jar, mass, amount of a substance. Then Roman number 5. Arrange the following in correct sequence. That is, first we have given 1 liter, 100 cubic centimeter, 10 liter, and 10 cubic centimeter. This you have to arrange in the correct sequence. The first one is 10 cc, second is 100 cc, then 1 liter, and then 10 liter. Then question 2, copper, aluminium, gold, iron. So you have to arrange it in the correct sequence, student. That is aluminium, iron, copper and gold. Roman number 6, use analogy to fill in the blanks. So for area, it's a square meter, and for the volume, children, cubic meter is the answer. Question 2, liquid will measured in liter, solid in cubic centimeter. Question 3, water, kerosene, and thus iron is aluminium. Okay, aluminium answer is iron. Roman number 7, assertion and reason type questions given here. Make the correct choice as. So A is both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. B, both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. C, if assertion is true but reason is false. D, assertion is false, reason is true. So the first question they have asked, assertion is volume of a stone is found using a measuring cylinder. Reason, stone is an irregularly shaped object. So the answer is for that is A. If both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Then question 2, assertion is wood floats in water. Reason, water is a transparent liquid, and the answer is B. If both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion, so the correct explanation is density of water is more than the density of wood. Then question 3. Assertion, iron ball sinks in water. Reason, water is denser than iron. So the answer is B. If both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So the correct is density of iron is more than that of water. Roman number 8. In the book it's given answer very briefly, children. So the first question is, name some of the derived quantities. Answer, area, volume, then density. Question 2. Give the value of 1 light year. So for 1 light year is 9.46 into 10 to the power of 15 meter. Question 3. Write down the formula used to find the volume of a cylinder. So the formula is for the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h. Question 4. Give the formula to find the density of objects. Answer is density is equal to mass by volume. So D stands for density, M stands for mass and V for volume. So D is equal to M by V. Then question 5. Name the liquid in which an iron ball sinks. So answer is iron ball sinks in water. So what's the liquid here, children? Water. So density of an iron ball is more than that of water. So it sinks in water. Question 6. Name the unit used to measure the distance between celestial objects. So the answer is astronomical unit and light year are the units used to measure the distance between celestial objects. 7th question. What is the density of gold? Density of gold is 19,300 kg per cubic meter. Roman number 11, I'll teach you in the class, children. So next we'll go to the Roman number 12. That is numerical problems. Question 1. A circular disc has a radius 10 centimeters. Find the area of the disc in square meters. So the answer is, the radius, given radius here is 10 centimeter, children, or else it can be written as 0.1 meter. So 10 centimeters is equal to 0.1 meter. And the pi formula is 3.14. So we have to find area of a circular disc, that is A. Now formula area of a circle is A is equal to pi r squared. So 3.14 into 0.1 into 0.1. So the answer is here, if you multiply you will get 0.0314 square meter. Then the second question, the dimension of a school playground is 800 meter into 500 meter. Now you have to find the area of the ground. So the given here is the dimension of a school, how much they have given, playground, that is length into breadth, that is 800 into 500. Now we have to find the area of the ground. So area is equal to length into breadth is the formula. So that here length is how much, 800, B is 500. So you have to multiply. So when you multiply 800 into 500 you will get 4 lakhs, that is area is equal to 4 lakhs square meter. Then question 3. Two spheres of same size are made from copper and iron respectively. Now find the ratio between their masses. So you have to find the ratio between their masses. Now the density of copper is 8900 kg per meter and the iron is 7800 kg per cubic meter. Okay children. Now the given is density copper is Dc, D density, C copper, and for that is density of the copper is 8900 per kg cubic meter, and the density of iron, that is D density, I is iron there, for that 7800 kg per cubic meter, and the volume of a copper sphere is equal to volume of a iron sphere. Okay, we are going to find out. Now to find out ratio of masses of copper, so mass, M stands for mass, and C copper, that is masses of copper, and iron, mass of iron, that is Mi. And the solution is mass is equal to density into volume. Okay children, so MC is equal to DC into volume into volume, okay, density into volume, and M is equal to density of iron into volume. Now our mass of copper is 8900 into volume, and the mass of iron is 7800 into volume. That is MC is equal to Mi, that is mass of copper is equal to Mi. So the volume is, for the mass of copper is 8900 is 2, and for the mass of iron is 7800 is the volume. That is, you have to see the ratio, that is 1 is to 14 is to 1. Now question 4. A liquid having a mass of 250 grams fill a space of 1000 cubic centimeter, that is cc. Now find the density of a liquid. The answer is given here. First it's given mass of a liquid, how much it's given children, 250 grams. Now you have to find the density, that is volume here is 1000 cc. You have to find the density of the liquid, that is D stands for density. And what is the formula for density children? Mass by volume. So what the mass is given here, 250. Volume is 1000. So you have to divide both, that is 250 by 1000. So what is the density of the liquid here? When you divide you get the answer as 0.25 grams per cubic centimeter. Then question 5. A sphere of radius 1 centimeter is made from silver. If the mass of the sphere is 33 grams, find the density of the silver. Now we'll take pi as your 3.14. So pi is a 3.14. Now given here is radius of a sphere, that is R is equal to 1, that is radius is equal to 1 centimeter. Volume of a sphere we have to find out. Mass of the sphere is 33 grams and density we have to find. And the formula is for density is already I said mass by volume. Now as we are going to see the sphere now, that is mass of the sphere divided by volume of the sphere. So now we'll say volume is 4 by 3 pi r squared, that is equal to 5 by 3. So already I said for pi they have given 3.14. So instead of pi we are writing there 3.14 into, and for radius is 1 we have given there. So R3 they have given power 3 R3. So 1 into 1 we are using there. So volume is equal to, when you multiply this you will get 4.187 cubic centimeter. So in this density is equal to, formula is mass by volume. So 33 by 4.187. So mass given here is, mass of a sphere they are given 33 grams. So for mass we are writing there 33. Divided volume in what's there, we got at 4.187. So when you divide this you will get the answer 7.889 grams per cubic centimeter. So what is that children? The density of a silver sphere we are getting 7.889 grams per cubic centimeter. Thank you, children.